Arjun has gone somewhere. Call him and ask him where he is.
Mom, I called him and his phone is switched off. I'll go and check once.
Everything. It's all because of this girl.
Mom, please let it be. Come on.
She has gone blind with greed. What do you want?
Mom,
She is so
Mom.
greedy that she can't see Arjun's goodness.
Mom, please calm down. When she doesn't care about us, why are you telling her? The best thing is that as long as this girl is here, we just ignore her. Dia?
Mom, you?
Such a big thing happened and you didn't even tell me, huh?
Is she talking about Dia's father?
You want a divorce?
Give me water! Open the door!
Arjun should divorce you. And after that, you can take your dad home.
Mom, how do you know about this?
I have called her here. She should know the reality of a virtuous daughter. After all, parents are responsible for their children's upbringing.
Trust me, Madhuri, please. I am really ashamed. I didn't know Dia was thinking about any of this. And you're right. If children make mistakes, their parents are questioned for sure. If possible, please forgive me, Madhuri. And you can do whatever you want to do with her. Because she's neither your daughter-in-law nor my daughter anymore. And Dia, you demanded alimony from Arjun, right? Buy a new house with that money. Because from now on, you will never be welcomed to our house, Dia. Remember that.
I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry. But I cannot tell you the truth. Because right now, my dad is more important than my relationship.
Madhuri, I had never imagined that Dia would do this to Arjun. It's good that Dia's dad is not here. But when he returns from Jamshedpur, what will I tell him?
Meera, I apologize you. Trust me, I didn't want to call you here and hurt you. But it was important to tell you the truth. After all, you are her mother. Look, I said those things in anger, and for that I'm really sorry. Well, don't blame yourself for whatever happened. Deepika, tell the driver to drop Meera safely at her home.
Yes, Mom.
The number you have called is currently switched off.
Why is his phone switched off?
number you have called is currently switched off.
I haven't spoken to him for 2 days. I know he's busy, but
The number you have called is currently switched off.
it is still switched off. He could have spoken to me at least once. A lot is happening here.
How will he talk? Dad has been kidnapped by Tina. Mom,
What are you doing here? Didn't I tell you that you would never be welcomed in this house ever again? So just leave.
I leave. I brought food for you. I know. My mom doesn't get angry so easily. But when she gets angry, she doesn't like anything. She suffers within herself. Now, the person with whom she could share everything, her daughter. But this time, her daughter has hurt her. Now she is in such a bad mood. How will she like anything? So I brought food, especially for my mom.
I don't want anything. And from now on, don't call yourself my daughter.
Mom! 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 I know you are upset with me. But please don't throw this food.
By doing this, you cannot wash your sins. You should be grateful that your dad is not at home. I don't know why, but I can't reach him.
Dad is fine. Nothing will happen to him.
What do you mean by that?
I mean to say that you don't have to worry about him. I'm sure wherever he is, he must be fine. Don't worry so much.
It must be your dad's call. Niharika?
Mom, I left behind my phone at home. So Niharika must be calling me. I'll talk to her. Yes, Niharika?
One must learn to take advantage of the situation from you. I didn't pay attention to you, so you left to meet your mom. You are too concerned about your mom, huh? You know, your love for your mom can be bad for your dad. I'll tell Tina right away.
No, Niharika. No, Niharika. I'll be right back. Yes, I'll be right back.
Leave immediately and meet me on the road behind your house. I'm waiting for you right there.
Okay, Niharika. I'll be right there. Yes.
What happened? Is it?
Hey, nothing. She needs my help. Mom, I'll take your leave. And Mom, please eat something. Please?
Didn't I tell you that Diya Mukherjee's report should be positive? So how come Diya Mukherjee's reports are negative?
But the reports were negative only, Mr. Karan. You told me that. I just have to sign the reports. I don't know how everything else happened. I am speaking the truth. I did what you told me to do. Truly.
I told you not to be so honest with your work. Forget your honesty, but you did not listen to me. Had Diya not lost the match, everything would have got ruined.
Now she has lost the match. There is no problem. So, why have you kept me over here, Mr. Karan?
Your honesty is the problem. So if you show your honesty to Arjun, we will get into trouble.
In front of Arjun? I didn't get you.
Someone has stolen papers from Arjun's file at the academy. It had Arjun's fake reports made by you. I know Arjun must have stolen those papers and he will try to reach you. But this time, I can't take the risk of trusting you.
No, Mr. Karan Mathur, I won't tell him anything. I won't tell him. I will not. Mr. Karan, please.
Just keep quiet. If you want to be alive, just do as I say. Hi, Tina. Thanks a lot. You handled everything in my absence. Now my men will guard Dr. Sen. You can focus on your plan. Once Arjun and Dia get divorced, Arjun will forget about this drug case. All the best.
What? He hasn't returned home since last night? I came here to take him to the doctor. I thought I should get a general checkup done. But where can he go like that? I don't know. He was very angry yesterday. I can understand, Deepika. But in a way, it's good that Arjun is not at home. Had he been here, there would have been a huge fight in this house. And he would have got furious on seeing Dia. I just hope Madhuri auntie is fine. She's not fine, but she's pretending to be fine. It's okay. Right now she's in the prayer. But meet her before you leave, okay? Sure, Deepika. I will wait until her prayer ends. In fact, go and do your work. I'll be here only.
Tina will be here for a while. I need to take her phone somehow. There must be some information about Dad on her phone. About where she has kept my dad. Tina, now you are happy, right? I mean, whatever you wanted, I did the same. I have asked Arjun for a divorce. Now you don't have any complaints, right? Tina, please, let my dad go home.
I do have a few complaints. You don't do things to ensure that I have no complaints. Did you go to meet your mom yesterday?
Yes, Tina. Mom was upset. I just wanted to meet her. And I did not tell her anything. I swear.
Good for you. But for time being, your dad will be with me. Because you have not finished your work yet. You have demanded a divorce from Arjun, but he hasn't divorced you yet.
Tina, please.
Just stop it. And please stop saying please again and again. If you plead me, I won't leave your dad. Now just go. If someone starts doubting me, I will get into trouble, but even you won't get your dad back.
Tina. Tina, please. Tina, please try to understand. Tina, please try to understand. Tina, please.
What have you done, huh?
I'm sorry, Tina. Please let me clean it.
Don't touch me. I'll do it myself. Stupid woman.
not right. What could be the password of her phone? Arjun's phone number?
What are you doing? And you're still standing here.
Nothing. I was waiting for you.
It's of no use. My answer won't change. Anyway, I will leave. I will meet Aunt Madhuri some other day. Besides, I am going to meet her very soon. After all, this family will need me. Bye.
I thought I would find something about Dad on a phone. But before I could find out anything, Tina came.
Mr. Lawyer, remember one thing. We are not interested in giving Dia any kind of alimony.
But love, if Dia doesn't get alimony, she won't leave this house. And the matter will be escalated. Moreover, if our family matter goes to court, it won't be good, love. And you know that Arjun is already stressed out. Love, I think we should give Dia whatever she wants.
Oh, so you mean to say we should give her everything so that the matter doesn't go to court? She can ask for anything in the name of alimony and you want us to give it to her? Our jewelry, flats, a share in our house and business, you want us to give her everything? Look, Deepika, you only take care of the family. You are too immature to be able to handle such cases. You have no idea how to deal with these kind of matters.
You seem to have a good idea of it. How many people have you got divorced before this? I'm not surprised to hear you. Moreover, the men of this family are used to proving their manliness by yelling at women and misbehaving with them. Were you discussing alimony? Oh, I understand. The thought of giving me alimony must have hurt you. Am I right? Because you don't know how to give anything. People who don't give women time and respect cannot be expected to give alimony. You should be ashamed to call yourselves a decent family. It's women who nurture a family and you don't respect women?
How dare you? Who are you to speak about our personal matters?
Oh, did the truth hurt you? It's good. You know that you are wrong.
Right now, only you are wrong, Dia. And everyone in this family knows this.
I am wrong because of some reason. But what is the reason behind you talking like this? She has been tolerating your taunts for so many years. Had I been in her place?
Dia, you are not in my place. So please, be quiet. And yes, you have no right to interfere in our personal matters, all right? Also, you can't talk to Love like that. Besides, the person who is questioned has no right to point the fingers at any other person.
My way of saying it might be wrong, But what I said is right. I cannot say love behave with you like this. I know you are upset with me right now. But I also know that there is no one in this house to support you. Fine. Since you love being humiliated, I will humor you. And I hope that since you are here, you will put some sense into them. If I don't get alimony, I will drag them to court in a heartbeat. Make them understand that.
You will get nothing. Do you understand? You'll get nothing.
I will get nothing, or you would have to give me your share. My lawyer will let you know. Oh Lord, please show me the way. I wish something would happen that brings Dad back and I wouldn't have to divorce Arjun.
Oh, my legs hurt so much. I don't know where my medication is.
Grandma, careful. If you fall, you will add more troubles to your troubles and others too. There is already too much going on. Who will look after you?
Why are you worried about me? Just let me fall.
I'm not worried about you. I'm looking for myself. Grandma, please. For just 2 days, be more careful for everything. I don't want a disruption because of you. I don't want the family to shift their attention from my divorce and onto you.